is your crochet hair looking like this? Well, let's get it to looking like this. In this video, I'm going to be revitalizing my 6-week-old crochet hair. Stay tuned. Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones. I've been gone for like 2 weeks. I apologize, but your girl has been through it. Do you hear me? Okay. In today's video, I'm going to be revitalizing 6-week-old hair. I am wearing Bobbi Boss's Brazilian Deep Twist in 18 inches, color number 2. Guess what? I've been wearing this hair for 6 weeks. Now, it's been a minute since I've worn hair for 6 weeks. I usually do 3, 3.5. I had every intention of taking this hair down at like week 4, but I sprained my lower back and I caught the flu. Y'all, the flu ain't no joke. So without further ado, let me show y'all what we working with first, alright? Okay, so look at this. This is flu hair. Okay, y'all see all that? So I'm gonna be trying to revitalize this, okay? Y'all see this. So stay tuned and let's get on with the video. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to show you some of the things that I have at first. So this hair is very tangled, some of it is very matted, but let's not let that discourage us, okay? So I've been wearing this hair exactly for 6 weeks, okay? So I have my spray bottle and it's some water and it's a little bit of conditioner, not a whole lot. And the conditioner, this is one of my favorite conditioners. This is the Garnier Fructis. This is the Sleek and Shine Fortifying Conditioner. Y'all, if you put this on if you have 4C hair and you have a hard time conditioning it or whatever, use this on your 4C hair. I'm telling you, life changing. But I put just a few drops of this in here. And then I have my scissors. And then I have Lotta Body and Cream of Nature mousse. Just to, you know, just like make the curls pop, make them come back, make them be looking good, fresh, okay? I would say that this is a low maintenance hair, but I'm gonna save all of that for my review. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take out a section, okay? This is flu hair, all right? I'm gonna just take out a section. I'm gonna put the rest of it in a ponytail. Now, before I do anything with this hair, I want to detangle it first. And then after I detangle it, I want to go ahead and cut out the matted parts, okay? So let me go ahead and detangle it. So guys, what's been new? Like, let's chit chat. I want to try to, you know, like do some new things on this. Now, this is my first time ever revitalizing some crochet hair. I do hope y'all like this kind of video, but what I'm gonna do is just cut out all those matted parts. Like, and there are a lot of matted parts. You know, when you are sick with the flu, I'm gonna tell you, you ain't worried about your crochet hair. At least I know I wasn't. But I'm gonna just cut all the matted parts out. My girl Tony Daly is having her birthday party soon in Toronto, and I really want to go. I want to go so bad. I looked up flights and everything, and to go to Toronto for the flight would be $400. That's cheaper than what I thought it was going to be. And you like have those whole strands that are matted. I'm cutting those out too. All right guys, so after I detangle it and cut out all the matted parts, I'm going to add just a little bit of water, not too much. With that conditioner in there, I'm gonna go ahead. I was gonna use this Cream of Nature, but I'm gonna use a Lotta Body. Okay guys, so basically I felt like I was talking just a little bit too much, but what I just did was I took the mousse, distributed all throughout the hair. So once I cut out all the tangled and matted parts, as you saw a little bit earlier in the clip, I put the water and conditioner on the hair, and then I went in with the Lotta Body mousse, and then I just did some twists. Yeah, this hair was through. It was beyond through. It was ready to come out. It was ready for me to take it down, and yeah, it was some work, but I made it happen. But like I said earlier, I had all the intentions of taking this hair out at 3 weeks or the 4-week mark, but things happened, so I wasn't able to do that. But if you plan on revitalizing your hair, make sure you have some mousse so you can kind of bring those curls back to life.
and the water and conditioner helped a lot as well too. And y'all see my edges. Oh my goodness, like I am so embarrassed about my edges right now in this clip. Like looking at them, like, well, in the viewfinder they ain't look that bad, but as I'm looking at them right now, like, girl, like, I don't even know why I came up on her with my edges looking like that. But I did go on later in the video and fix them. But you definitely want to make sure that you cut out the tangled and matted parts too, because you don't want to try to revitalize those matted parts, because whatever hair you do bring back, you don't want it to be tainted by that matted and that bad hair. So make sure you cut that stuff out.
Okay, so I just put my hair back in a ponytail so I can do a little something with my edges because they were through. But once I got done, I just put these up like this, and this is what I usually do for my night routine sometimes. But I put them all in twists, so now I'm going to take it down and see what it looks like. And I cut out all the tangled and matted part. And I'm gonna take it all down before I like sprayed it apart and everything like that. Okie dokie, so I'm gonna just fluff it out just a little bit. Oh, let me scoot it back so y'all can see it a little bit better. There we go. So this is how I revitalize my crochet hair. I'm kind of embarrassed to show y'all my matted and parts that I cut out, but this is it right here. This is all I cut out. This was the matted parts. You see some knots in there, like that's all that. But so this took me probably 40 minutes, but yeah. And then let me show y'all the bottom. That's the bottom. I had a lot of matted and tangled parts at the end, and I cut those out as well. I didn't get every single tangled and matted part out, but I did the best that I could do. But I'm gonna say this looks a lot better than when we first started, right? But yeah, y'all, that is it. This is 6-week-old hair, and we almost close to 7. But we ain't gonna talk about that. But yeah, this is it right here. As you see from when I showed you at the beginning, it smells good, it smells fresh, all that bad part is out. All right guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section. And I thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.